What's up, guys? We are live at City Center right now. Here's our mascot. देखो, इसको अभी हम लोग प्रिपेयर करवाएंगे. Okay. Wait. कोच ले, मुँह कोच. देखो guys. तू क्या बोलना चाहता है? Say something. इसका एब्स दिखाओ. हाँ, शेप दे दो इसका, शेप दे दो.
ये लाल थोड़ी किसका है?
ओ केला बढ़िया बे. Crazy shit. Bro, if we get the Wi-Fi, then we're gonna like connect to our live stream. हाँ.
उसको blend कर दो।
हाँ, blend कर दो अच्छे से.
वरना वो नहीं होगा।
रियान, बैक पेन ले. हाँ. Oh bro, this abs looks good. Can I feel it? Oh my goodness. Bro, the abs look so good. It looks so good. Oh bro, it should be more defined. Guys, that's how you get 6 packs in 7 days, bro. That's how we get 6 packs in 7 days.
6 packs in 7 minutes, bro.
6 packs in 7 minutes. Okay. Time for the final touch, guys. Ula. Mic पकड़. ये पकड़ो.
Crazy, Obo, bro. Crazy. This would be crazy, bro.
আপুনি কিবা ক'ব খুজিছে?
Our mask. Oh, 7
to 7.
Wait, duct tape. We need the duct tape.
We did the double-sided tape उठाया इसको guys दिया. छतरी भी निकालना पड़ेगा ना बाद में निकाल.
हाँ बे. ये भी.
What's up, guys? What's up, chat?
Sir, assume. चश्मा का है.
না মই কসপ্লে কাৰণে ৰেজিষ্টাৰ কৰিছোঁ ন তো ইয়াক মোৰ জেগাত দি দিওঁ আমি বেভাৰেজ পাই যাম
Oh, yeah, we can actually do this. Abhi, no, come here. What packet इसके हाथ में है? रुको.
चश्मा bro. भाई तो ना.
ও ইয়াৰ তোমাৰ বেগত সোমাই লওঁ না
रुको साथी उलाबो दिया.
अबे कर रहे हैं ना यू एंजॉय.
स्ट्रेस मत ले भाई. তুমি মাইক লৈ এনেকৈ ধৰি থাকিবা বে. তেতিয়াহে আৱাজটো আহিব.
Okay.
वाह. अबे इतना बड़ा क्यों?
मुझे क्यों शूट कर रहे हो?
क्या लगा ना डायरेक्ट लगा.
क्या कर? अबे रुक ना, इसको दिखाई भी देना पड़ेगा ना.
दिखाई नहीं चाहिए मैं वो पॉज करने के लिए.
नहीं क्या पॉज करने का जरूरत नहीं है. रोलिंग रहा. Okay, it looks good.
I want a mirror to see myself first, man.
এইটো ধৰাবে. ये पकड़.
फेंक दे.
हाँ, पोछ ले पूरा पोछ ले. होगा, चल लगा. केला.
निकलेगा ना वापस.
Bro, crazy shit.
रो.
चश्मा पहन. Here's our mascot ready, guys. Let's come. Let's go, guys.
साथीउला.
Oh, साथीउला. केला এইটো বেয়া বিল্লা মেৰি দিছো বে.
अबे একো নাই. নালাগে আমার নাই.
কেলা সাথী গৈ.
उला साथीउला अपने साथी.
केला. चेन मार. जॉर्डन में उसको वॉक सिखा. इसको वॉक.
ऐसे वॉक करने दे. ऐसे हाथ एक.
हाँ. Like no, just can you walk like this?
How?
हाँ, like this. Crab walk. हाँ. Yeah. Do like this.
हाथ से.
Diyan छाती पकड़.
आँख में नहीं छाता मार दे.
अबे रुक जा. Okay, let's go, guys. Come on.
कैसे पूरा वो कैसे करना है? अबे तू ऐसे वॉक कर. अबे वॉक सिखा इसको पहले.
अबे ऐसे रहने दे.
अबे ऐसे करते हैं जॉर्डन बैठ.
हाँ?
अरे पूरा इधर इतना ऐसे वॉक नहीं कर सकते.
What's up, chat? Here's our mascot. Okay, guys, you can look at his abs. And देखो guys, गाना कितना अच्छा बज रहा है. The song is so nice. Come on, guys, let's go to some different cosplayers and ask them. Okay, this is Jester Maxing's final level, guys. ওই ভালকে সিধাকে রেকর্ড করবে অ্যাকচুয়ালি সিধাকে রেকর্ড কর where are those cosplayers, guys? Hope you cry for me, I cry for you every night. नहीं नहीं कॉस्प्लेयर के पास चलते हैं एक्चुअली. लेट्स गो टू अ ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. कम हियर. I know changes and I hope that you still cry for me like I cry for you every night for you. Bro's the final boss here. Bro mocks everybody. Abey bro mocks everybody, man. Bro mocks everyone. Okay, let's go to a group of friends. Guys, actually we're live on YouTube. Here is our mascot. Billa media, Ziman para iman Billa media. Bro, just touch him, molest him, do anything with him. Damn, this is so fucking crazy. He looks cool, right? Rate him out of 10. Rate him out of 10. Rate him out
49.
of 49. Okay, let's go, G. Okay, next किसके पास जाए हम लोग?
मेट्रो खुल दिया.
ना वो ने बोला पैंट खोल दो ना. अबे तू पकड़ एक्चुअली यू ना यू आर हिज बटलर ब्रो. नहीं होगा ऐसे. Where are those cosplayers, man? Sabe kala. Whoa. We're actually recording normally. We actually need the Wi-Fi.
You're registered cosplayer hoy. Amar beverage lage. Ami team hoy.
We actually need the Wi-Fi, bro. Yeah. Come here. Oh, bhai. Wasif, come here. Bro, come here. Interview. What do you want to say about our mascot, Abe? What do you want to say about this guy, our mascot?
This is a copycat of mine. He has nothing originality.
Nah, bro, he mocks you, bro.
No, fuck no,
Look at
bhai.
his abs,
He's
bro.
probably
Show his abs.
he's
Drag
probably
show his
South
abs.
Indian.
Nah, bro, look at his abs, bro.
These are nothing.
No, he mocks you.
Fuck no, bhai.
Nah, bro, he mocks you, bro.
Evening gang mocked, bhai.
Evening gang mocked, guys. Look at this creature. He actually mocks everyone in this city center. No, he mocks everyone in this whole India, bro.
ओए और एक पोस्टर निकालना इसका हाथ में देता है. मैं छतरी पकड़ और एक हाथ में ऐसे पकड़ के कोई इंस्टाग्राम वाला दे दे इसको. इसका इंस्टाग्राम मांगेगा.
ना वो बाद में. Excuse me, guys. We are actually live on YouTube. Okay. No. Hello.
He is our mascot. Yeah.
What do you want to say about him?
True Chad. He's our Chad.
Okay. He has actually registered. Yeah.
So please can I take the ID card? You have to. If you don't want to wear it, please keep it in the.
Okay. Sure. We'll take it. We're actually live on YouTube. Say hi.
Hi.
Bro, we are actually live on YouTube,
Okay.
man.
I'll just say this is the true Chad, okay?
Okay.
He's the embodiment of a perfect male.
Yeah.
You can see that this equation right
Bro,
here.
actually
You
got
know, this is, you know what this is?
Yeah.
I don't know, I forgot what I was going to
Bro, he actually got abs in 7 seconds.
7 second.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah. So, rate him out of 10, bro.
49.
Would you let him crack you?
No, I wouldn't.
Okay. Sure, bro. Nice to meet you, man.
I would crack him though.
Okay.
Okay.
Turn around, bro. Turn around, bro.
Okay, well, see you guys.
Okay, sure. Jackie, come.
Okay, see you around.
Nice to meet you, man. It was a crazy. My name is Venkat, bro.
Okay, my name is Ron.
You okay? Come here, guys. Come here. I hope you cry for me. Like, bro, everybody is recording you. Bro. Come here, come here. Come here. Come here, bro. I could cry for you. Jaja, wait, let him go in front. Let him go in front. Oh, this is so scary. Okay. Meet our mascot, man. Do you like him? Bro has no reaction. Bro is total nonchalant. Final boss, guys. It's 7 into 7, 49 versus Cypher. Let's see who's gonna win. Play stone, paper, scissors. Best of 3. Okay. 7 into 7, 1. 2. Okay, he won! 7 into 7, 49 is the GOAT, guys! KO! Bro got mocked. Bro got molested. Nice to meet you, man, Cypher. Thank you. Come here. Follow me. Crazy clip farming, bro. Crazy clip farming. Who's the best streamer, bro? It's Venkat Streams, bro. Bro, you look... Why? Everybody's appreciating you, actually. Everybody is appreciating you. Nah. Everybody is appreciating you. Let's go that side. Let's go that side. Bro, you need to just adapt or die. Yeah. Where are those cosplayers, man? Paraloi muk aru yak frame ot rakhibi, ha?
अबे पसीना हो रहा है इसका
पसीना हो रहा है actually. रुक जा. It's okay. Like
होगा
मुक्का मत मार दे मेरा
हाँ. अबे ये गिर क्यों रहा है?
मैं बीच जा रहा हूं
Okay, रुक. Come with me. Let me fix you. Wait.
Sir, what is your YouTube ID?
Venkat Streams. VNKT Streams.
VNKB streams.
VNKT streams.
I'll
Yeah. What do you want to say about this guy? Bro has abs, bro has muscles, bro has everything, bro has all the huzz.
Like I see him as a like pure beauty,
Okay.
like pure handsome. This guy, look at his nose.
Yeah.
It's almost perfect, and look at his skin quality.
Would you let him crack you?
I have to think about that, but yeah, I would.
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, not now, not
Let's
now,
go.
not now.
Turn around, bro.
No, not
Turn
now,
around,
not now.
bro.
Like I'm not ready right now.
Okay.
It still hurts from last night.
Okay. It
Maybe
still hurts
tomorrow.
from last night. Okay.
Maybe tomorrow.
It's okay, bro.
Maybe tomorrow.
We get it, bro. Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you.
Okay. Wait, back to Bisarwa. Alright, where is her girlfriend, bro? Actually, we need the bag. Do you have his number? Yeah. Call him. Call Rehan. We need to call Rehan. We need the bag.
ऐसे बे
क्या मेरे सर के ऊपर लगा देगा क्या
Yeah.
भाई एक तो मेरे बाल झड़ रहे हैं
Nah. It would be all right, bro.
व्हाट द फक
Bro. Move. Hold this.
ऊपर ये क्या कर ओह ओके दिस इज नाइस अबे नहीं चिपकेगा बे
पोपट तो नहीं मिल रहा
बाल में
Nah.
पता
Give
चला
me this.
यहाँ पे लगा यहाँ से इस नाक
No. Wait.
मेरे नाक में डाल दे कैमरा
दिस इज ब्रूटल बे दिस इज फकिंग ब्रूटल
Give me this. Give me the tape.
Our mascot is mogging out here.
Bro, he's mocking everybody in the city center bench. Let's go, man.
मेरे को बुलाने का आईडी मेरा
We are ready again.
Our mascot is ready again. Let's go and
Let's
mock
go.
the whole fucking city center. Come on.
कहाँ जाएंगे
Let's go. Okay, I think we... Hey, Jaggy, I think we can get the Wi-Fi now. But let's just explore for a bit and then connect the Wi-Fi. Come here.
आधा तुम्हारे लिए नहीं मेरे लिए है
Yeah.
अरे क्या कर रहे हैं मेरे सर के ऊपर उठा ऊपर
Okay, guys. I hope they used to cry for me, like I cry for you, every night for you. Take it. Where are those jet? Where is jet? कहाँ है वो jet? हाँ. Where is that jet? We can do actually Jet versus 7x7. Where is the Jet? वो एक cosplay था वो मतलब I don't know.
तुम्हारे ऊपर क्यों है भाई?
Okay, boss. चाहता तुम्हारे ऊपर ही रहेगा. You are the main highlight. Where is that Donald Trump? Let's go to the Donald Trump, guys.
I'll get a.
Is it rolling? Okay. Come here.
ओए वो ले लेना आईडी कार्ड मुझे बोल रहा था.
Huh?
आईडी कार्ड लेगा.
Sure.
Our mascot.
Yeah.
He's our mascot.
Guys,
Yeah, bro.
we have our Chainsaw Man here.
Yeah, bro.
We are going to do Chainsaw Man versus 7x749. Let's go.
Let's
Start.
go, rock, paper,
Best of
scissors.
3. Best of
Go.
3.
Rock, paper, scissors. Whoa.
Okay,
Rock,
draw.
paper, scissors.
Okay, bro.
Bro is on a streak. Bro is on a streak.
Bro's on a streak.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay. It's a
okay.
tie. Best of 3. See, it's best of 3. It's best of 3.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Let him win, bro. Just for the love of the game. Let him win. Rock dinner. Okay, let's go. Bro won. Bro's on a streak. Hey, Trump.
I am not Trump.
Who are you then?
Agent.
No, you look like Trump.
Yes, I do.
You are on Epstein files, bro. You are on
What?
Epstein files, bro.
I am not. No.
Nah, bro. You should go to jail.
I'm a
actually.
secret agent.
No. You are not a secret agent, bro.
I'm Agent Tubelight.
No, you love Modi ji, bro.
I don't.
No, you and Modi ji go
I don't
for
actually.
pegging, right?
What?
तुम दोनों एक दूसरे को पैक करते हो ना.
I am a
Modi और-
minor, by the way.
हैं?
Yes.
It's okay, bro.
It's
Okay, what are you? Please explain your cosplay.
Actually, I attempted to do Lloyd Forger, but this is terrible. I know.
Okay, did you bleach your hair?
Yes, kinda.
Damn, it looks good, man.
Thanks.
Let me pet you, bro.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, what are you actually cosplaying today?
Shinji from like Neon Genesis Evangelion.
Okay, do you wanna do 1v1 with our mascot? Of course. Okay, come. We have. Yeah, let's go. What's your name? State your name and. state your
Junak
costume.
Seikya.
And what are you cosplaying
Shinji
today?
from Neon Genesis Evangelion.
Okay, let's go. It's 7x749 versus.
Shinji from Neon Genesis Evangelion.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay. Bro, mom. Bro's on a fucking streak. Bro's on a fucking streak. Bro lost. What? Do you wanna
I
say
cannot
one-
recover. I cannot recover.
Okay.
I cannot recover.
Bro smoking the entire city center. It's so fucking brutal. Okay, where's that jet?
वो एक आदमी था. ओए उसका देखा क्या उसको?
Where's that
Oh,
jet?
सामने देखना है.
Wait, who's that guy? That's Sanji.
वही तो बोला.
Sanji! Bro, we have Sanji here. Sanji! What's up, man? I'm actually live on YouTube, bro. We have our mascot here. He already. Yeah. Do you wanna do 1v1 with him? Stone, paper, scissors, bro. Huh?
He's gonna win.
No, bro. Just for the love of the game.
He's a fan favorite, bro.
Nah, bro. Just for the. Let's see. He's so busy, bro.
love him.
Yeah, I know, right?
ladies and ladies love him. So
Exactly right. But there's Luffy, bro. Let's go meet you up with Luffy, bro. Hey, Luffy, we got Sanji here. Luffy,
Come on, Sanji. We'll all take a picture together.
we got Sanji here, bro. We are actually live on YouTube.
Yeah, hi,
Say
bro.
hi
What's
to
up?
chat.
Yeah, hi, hello, guys. We're playing Valorant tonight today.
Yeah.
We're in the semis.
Okay, guys. Here's Luffy and here's Sanji. And come here.
mascot they go our mascot.
Okay. You guys can take a group picture. Damn, bro. This shit is so cool.
This is smoking day.
This is smogging, yaar. It's so crazy, bro. Love you, Sanji. Where's Nami?
I'm searching for.
Bro, Nami's tits are the One Piece.
That's debatable because we have Nami and Robin.
Okay.
Both. We have Boa Hancock. We have.
Then it's 4 piece then.
Might be.
Yeah.
But I'm searching for all blue. So,
Okay. If you're searching for all blue and you guys live in the ocean, right? This huge ocean. So you only cook fish. What's your favorite fish? Ilis mas, borali mas, which mas? What mas you like?
Borali.
Borali mas. Because it has no kites in it. Let's go, man. Huge W. Luffy, our Nami's tits are the One Piece.
No, bro. I'm searching for my crewmates, man.
Huh?
I'm not finding them.
Hey, here's your crewmate, bro. Here's your best buddy, Sanji.
You wanna join my crew?
He's already in your crew,
Yeah,
bro.
okay.
He's already in your crew.
Okay.
Okay. Let me stretch your hand. You hold that other hand, bro. Stretch him up. Stretch him up. Stretch him up. Let's go, man. My man Luffy.
Yes, bro.
Okay, come. Crazy shit, bro.
Our mascot with you, bro. Our mascot is the main.
Okay. Bro, it's so crazy, man. Guys, actually हम लोग अभी Okay, it's time to get the Wi-Fi. Pan the camera to them.
इसका इनके साथ फोटो
हाँ. Yeah. Okay. Bro gets all the girls. Bro got the hers. Damn, that's so cool. Bro got the hers. It's 7x749. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, let's go for the Wi-Fi, bro. Let's search for the Wi-Fi. Wait, hold this umbrella, bro. Let's get the Wi-Fi, bitches. How are you feeling, bro?
Extremely good.
Extremely good, right? Okay.
Surreal.
Okay, let me ask for the Wi-Fi. Bro, open this in our live stream, bro. Open this.
No.
What do you mean not now?
Not now.
Oh, ভিতৰত কি আছে তেনেহলে?
ভিতৰত কিবা আছে?
একো নাই. This is empty. This is empty. Oh, nah, bhai. Yeah, cos क्यों करो? What are you cosplaying today?
I am cosplaying Choso from JJK.
Okay, can you break down the cost of your outfit?
Okay, so the cosplay outfit is very minimal. We are doing like street style Choso. So this is a tank top from Azort. Then these are the pants. I forgot where they are from, to be honest. Then this is a scarf from a random fabric I thrifted. So I just folded it up and just made this thing. These are from online
Okay.
on Flipkart. Then jewelry is from small businesses. And shoes are from again online.
This is our mascot here, and we have Nazmin here.
Hello guys,
So,
nice to meet you.
He wants to show you something. Show us your move, man.
Hi.
Red, okay. So,
John Paul. Okay. Wow, I just take me. Oh, Jogendin, my friend! How do you know my friend, bro? Oh, my murgi soon. You stole it, right?
No.
Oh, my spider van. Obesity man.
Can he get your Insta?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay, let's go, man.
and instant I mure hoy mo follow back diti paru.
Crazy shit, guys. Crazy shit. আজি এটা ফালিৰ পৰা ৰিজেক্ট খোৱা নাই, guys.
Okay.
It's so crazy.
Thank you,
मैं
Arun.
तुम्हारे को देखी सुबह मैंने तुमको कहीं देखा है देखे देखा लग रहा है तो
देखा होगा शायद.
हाँ
हर जगह देखा होगा शायद.
अबे तुम एक इन्फ्लुएंसर हो शायद आई गेस
शायद नहीं.
अरे बाथरूम डांसर.
ओ कुमुट में जो ना bro we got kumut dancer before GTA 6 here
Yeah. You guys
actually I was live on YouTube a moment ago
are... Okay.
yeah
Okay.
thank you so much bye bye nice to meet you man edu clip from hoise be edu clip from hoise
Ex yahan pe hai.
okay let's go to your ex man and Draggy kun storage or kotha nai toy bostu to rolling ote rakhibi
ओए आप बे ओए.
Oh.
अंकल go. You are pro. That ऐसे
where
वहाँ पे होगा क्या? तो देखना आगे जाना. आगे जाना बेहतर. अभी बाद में. It will be a crazy clip because I am.
चलोगे मैं तो आधा रास्ता
okay guys इसके हम लोग एक्स से मिलने जा रहे हैं
किसके बोल रहे हैं
रियान के एक्स को मिलने जा रहे हैं हम लोग एंड वेयर इज रियान का एक्स
ओए ऐसे मत बोल बे. और don't
कहाँ
make
पर
it
है
a script.
हाँ कहाँ पर है
थोड़ा आगे होगा. तू चल ना.
है कहाँ पर भाई ओए जैगी सुन तुम जब क्लिप करोगे ना तुम थोड़ा दूर से लेना मेरे को भी लाना स्ट्रीम में
अबे तुम जगह ही नहीं दियो मुझे.
लाइक तुम थोड़ा पीछे चले जाना ना लाइक
जगह नहीं दियो तो देखा
that's also a thing Bro, you got lots of work to do today, bro. তোর হাগা ওলাই যাব বে। Wait, what is he cosplaying? Okay, come here. Excuse me, guys. We are actually live on YouTube. So can you tell us what are you cosplaying today?
I'm cosplaying as Misa from Dead Note.
डेड नोट में इसका नाम भी लिख दो 7x749 का. Okay.
Sure. You will die from a heart attack today.
No, bro. Okay, he can survive from a heart attack if he beats you in a game of stone, paper, scissors.
Okay,
Best of 3 wins.
Okay. Stone, pepper, scissors, shoot. Ah!
No. Best of 3, right?
Stone, pepper, scissors, shoot.
No, bro survive. Okay, here's something to show you.
Okay.
No.
Can I get?
Can he?
Sure.
Can he? Okay. Bro, एक बार भी reject नहीं खाया यार city center में.
Bro is getting pulling all the husbands.
Bro, what's the cost of your wig?
It's I rented this. It's for a day. It's 450.
Damn, bro, you are really cool.
Thank
You
you.
look really cool.
Thank you.
Yay.
Yay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you so much. Crazy shit, guys. अबे बढ़िया क्लिप फार्मिंग हुई बे আজি और कौन जाओ बे Where is your ex, bro?
यहाँ पे था।
Your ex is lost, bro. छोड़ ना.
अबे तू जब बात करते थे
Listen to me, Takla. I think you're bald, bro.
Yes, I bald. I became bald for today especially.
Damn,
I
that's
take
crazy.
cosplaying really seriously.
Bro, is this your real hair?
Nah, I stole from
He bought
Diddy.
it from me. I donated my hair.
Oh, that's so crazy, man.
Romance. With touches other at night.
No, man, nah. Huh.
she's there
Okay, let's go. Is it rolling? Draggy? Where is Draggy? Draggy, is it rolling? Excuse me, guys. Lol, nah. Elrian in the chat, guys. Elrian in the chat. क्या है एंशो चली गई ना तुझे देखते ही भागा वो तुझे देखते ही भागा तू ओके bro what happened
Nothing happened.
okay rate him out of 10
100.
why not 49
Because he's 100.
49 plus 49
Bro.
is 100.
Nice physique.
can you lick him
Nah.
no bro nah
Well, let's raise hers be अभी
अबे ना অলপ বন্ধ কর that shit you will go right आऊंगा
Okay, I see someone very interesting over here. 7 into 7 goes to 49 Jordan Dad.
let's go guys clap for us oh let's go okay he's actually very nonchalant so he can't speak so my friend here is cosplaying as Jordan Bennett as 7 into 7 into 49
Okay. You wanna say something because I feel like you can.
yeah the thing is he's the most attractive guy in this whole city center and he's actually mogging everybody here
we got abs in 7 seconds
can you pan here can you
we got abs in 7 seconds
people fail to get abs in 7 days but he got abs in only 7 seconds that was it from my side
So he doesn't
Okay.
talk.
yeah
Like, he
he's
doesn't
actually
really
very
talk.
nonchalant
Okay, he's very nonchalant and I
Yeah.
don't like nonchalant guys. I want chalant in my face.
okay give us a round of applause guys
Yeah, give a big round of applause for this really awesome. Yeah, not
let's go bro oh এতিয়ালৈ বছৰ মাৰি আছে বুলি কওঁ
হা হা ট্ৰান্সমিশ্যন উইক দেখাই আছে
ট্ৰান্সমিশ্যন উইক দেখাই আছে
য়েছ
কিয় আবে
ষ্টেয়াৰ্ছত আছোঁ না নেটৱৰ্ক ষ্টেবল আছে এতিয়া ঐ গুচি দে ন অলপ
হ'ব বে এনেকৈ পিন্ধাই দিম
अबे नाही आणि नाही जास्त आहे असं आहे का
আমি চাৰ্ট কৰিব লাগিব আৰু নাই
তুমি ৰেকৰ্ড কৰি আছা ন এইটো
দি দিয়া অঁ দি দিয়া
পিন্ধাবে এইটো পিন্ধা
आधा तो दिखेगा ही नहीं